Today I'm going to be teaching you about an application called Book Creator. So if you go onto your main screen and you can see right here I have Book Creator, the free version. You click that open. Let's see. And you can see that I've already created a book, and over here I have the Getting Started tutorial. Because I have the free version, I can only make one book. Otherwise, you would normally go to the plus button right down here, and you would click that, and you could click new book or duplicate a book or combine books, and then you get to choose from 3 different sizes. However, since I don't have the paid for version, I do not get to do it for free. So we are going to actually do the tutorial with a book I've already created for one of my 5th grade curriculums that I'm making. Click on your book. And right now, you can see that I already have a cover. Up at the top, it tells you what kind of page it is. And so I'm going to click through my different pages, which I can show you at the end. And I want a blank page to show you how everything works. So the easiest way to do things is always notice that you have a plus button right here. And you can just click out so that it goes away. And then you also have the I button right here, which is the information button. And you can edit anything that's selected on your page. For today, we're going to practice inserting some different things. So I press the plus button, and if I want to insert a photo, I just click the photo, and then I can actually directly access my camera roll. And you can see here I can put in direct pictures from my camera roll and things like that. For practice, I'm going to use this image from a curriculum I created. So you can see here it's a little blue box around it. That means that the item's selected. You can grab the circle in the corner of your item and drag it to be a different size so it can fit. And if you click and drag, you can hold the image and move it anywhere you want. When the image is selected, if you press that magic eye that does everything you want it to right here, you can see that I can put a hyperlink to my image, I can change the layout order of it, and a lot more. On the other hand, if I want, I can always, in the eye, click back on my page and edit the things that I want on my page. I can change the background color, put music to it, show those guides. So remember when I was moving over here, that green thing came up, that's the guides that they're discussing. I can always snap to the grid so that it moves to certain points. But if I go back to my image, I can adjust anything there. So I'm going to click out now, and I'm going to show you how I can press the plus button and use the pen tool. So it creates a drawing tool for you. You can see up here it has an eraser, the pencil, which you can adjust the different sizes. I'm going to keep mine the same for now. And then it also has the pen tool, which lets you change the colors, and you can actually customize it. I have my recent set right here because I was using them for my book. So I click any color, and I can doodle and circle around my book. So I'm done with that, so I press done, and now just like my other thing, it's its own image. So if I want to circle that, it's there, but I can always go back and edit it. Now we can show you how to add text. So the plus button right here, again, go down to add text. I love the text feature because it comes up with a simple text box, and today we'll put test just to see it. You go right over here to the done button, and now you have it. Again, you can adjust the size of your box, but you notice that the word is not getting any bigger. So like before, you go back to the I button, and the text you can see is selected. You can adjust the size, you can see it growing. You can adjust the color, blue, purple, orange over here. So let's do orange today. I can make it bold. I can even change the font to some fun things and make my book really custom. What's nice about this app is there's enough to customize it, but not so much that your students get distracted. I realized I like my page color to be white, so I'm actually going to go and just put it into the nice white. I'm still in the font, you see, because if I go back, I didn't click the page button. So I go here, back to page, and I want it on white. And now I go back to text, and I'm going to make it orange. And there we go. And now I have the text that I want. If I was happy with this page, I have a few other options. I can either click the plus button, which goes back and creates a brand new book in my page. You can see I'm on page 5 now. Or if I go back to the page, I can click this right over here and send my book. I can airdrop it, open it in my Dropbox, so on and so forth. What's nice, if I click out of that, is that you can go over here to pages, press your pages, and you can see some of my pages are there. If I hold a page, you can adjust the order just like the applications on your actual iPad. And then if it's shaking and I click it, I can copy a page, insert a new page, delete it, or even individually share that one page. So I love this application. It creates a lot of interesting things. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel discard changes. I don't need those changes. I'm going to go back to my books and click on the book so that I can show you what it looks like when it's complete. So this actually is just a cover. I downloaded an image of red leather, saved it to my photo album, cropped it, and then put it on here, and then put the typing, picked my font and my color. Again, here did the same thing, picked a background image I liked and other images, and then right here I actually just used the pen tool and drew, and these are photos I took with screenshots, and that's why I love the Book Creator app. Thank you so much. Have a good day.